A scorched iron is a nightmare, but I have a brilliant solution. Your iron will look like new. It will remove limescale, residue, and even significant scorch marks. First, take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Toothpaste is an excellent polishing agent for many appliances. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Pour a shot of vinegar into the bowl. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a thick paste. Now, turn on the iron and wait until it gets hot. Once it's heated, take a regular small sponge and dip it into the mixture. Use the rough side of the sponge to clean the iron. After a few strokes, the iron will start to shine like new. Look how well it presses fabrics now. Your iron will glide smoothly over clothes, making ironing faster and easier. This simple trick can save your iron, extend its lifespan, and keep it in perfect working condition. You won't need to buy a new one, so you'll save a lot of money.